Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. If you're an old friend, welcome back. Akwaba to you all. So today I want to show you how I make iced coffee. It's going on a lot and I was like, okay. So before I show you how I make my iced coffee, I want to show you how I make my milk cream or milk syrup. What I use is condensed milk, and I use evaporated milk. You can pick any of your choice, any brand that you want. And with the iced coffee, I'm going to use Nescafe Gold, or you can use any coffee you have. You can use any coffee. That's it. So first thing first, I'm going to show you how I do mine. It's so nice with any coffee you do. It's not only for iced coffee, your regular morning coffee, afternoon coffee, you can just mix it with this and it's very nice, creamy and tasty. Oh, you can see how creamy it looks now. So I'm going to pour half of this in my mason.
Wait. Let's keep on doing it.
In my mason jar. You have to limit how you do it, because if you make a lot, you have to use anyway, you have to keep it in the fridge so that, and I've got my milk in here, so I'm going to mix it together. So this is it. You get your nice cream syrup for your coffee. Just pour it in, keep it in the fridge, and see how nice and creamy it is. So that's what I'm going to use for my coffee, and that's what I use for my coffee sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna make nice toffee with the rest of this. So let's keep it aside. So now that is done, let's go ahead with our iced coffee. To make your iced coffee, of course you need a coffee, and I've already made the coffee and I put it in the fridge for about an hour to cool down. You can just keep it out however you want it to cool down, so that it cool down nice and cold. So let's get the ice. In this jar, I've got ice here that I did, I've been freezing it for a while. That is coffee. It's just normal coffee that I froze them. So I'm gonna put them in here, because you know, with iced coffee, sometimes when the ice melts, your coffee become diluted a bit. So if you want a strong coffee, I'll suggest you do your ice cubes, keep them in the fridge. So sometimes you can drop 1 or 2 in there. It depends how strong you want your coffee. That way your coffee can stay nice and strong. So let's add in. So I've added the coffee one and the normal ice as well. So second, let's pour in beautiful, very nice. That's it. It's just a simple. So now we are going to add in our coffee, but I'm thinking I just want to add a bit more of the milk in here. Oh, and I make a mess. I need to put it in something that is going to pour without making a mess. So let's go. So now let's add in some of the coffee to it, and some more. Capture these ones because this is much nicer. Oh, some more.
Is it
you know
done?
Yeah. Oh, guys, try this and you will love it. You will really love it, especially if you do it with your condensed milk. Oh, so if you do it that way, it's so nice. It's so nice. There's no word to describe it. It's just so beautiful. If you're a coffee lover, you will love it. So try this and just thank me later. Leave me a feedback.
Let me actually taste it. Is it this one?
Okay, yeah. So Raymond is now going to taste it and he will tell you how it is. This is iced coffee. Taste it. Tell me how you.
It's okay.
It's latte.
Nice.
Yeah. So what were you gonna? So what were you expecting it's gonna taste?
I don't know.
Yeah, but
You put toffee in it?
yeah, I use condensed milk to make it. Hey, you're supposed to taste it, not finish it.
It's not mine.
No, it's not yours. Come on, put it back.
What's the point of having me have it then?
I said that you haven't drink iced coffee before. You want to taste it. I did not tell them.
But I have.
Oh, okay.
I
Unfortunately,
literally
then.
iced coffee.
Okay, then it's the same. So nice, you have tasted it. It's not yours. So this is the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned for another video. God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.